What is devil? What is the concept of devil? Devil is not in physical form, it is a huge gestation of evil powers. It works in the form of frequency like a radio band. It connects with human beings by initiating a destructive idea in human mind. Receiving destructive idea in mind is the sign of connectivity with the devil. Identify the moment when devil gets connected. If presence establishes, it can be known that devil is trying to convert its frequency into physical activity through you. Devil is independent, virtue is independent, human being is independent with the fact that human being has option to follow devil or virtue. So the three are independent. Hope you have understood devil. Thank you.